What are you doing today, Brad?
Today, I've want to change the jockey wheel on this van, which is down there. You see down the bottom down here?
Oh, yep.
All the cars burning past. The jockey wheel is pretty useless on the caravan this size, of course, which is 21 foot. And I want to change it out, put this plate on it. So basically I'm going to cut the jockey wheel off there, extend this down maybe 6 inches, and then change this too probably. So yeah, we'll put that there instead. You can actually see we've been parked here for 3 weeks, a bit over 3 weeks actually, and on the grass with the stabiliser legs down, that's already sunken in like a fair few inches there, nearly up to the wheel nut. Almost. So there's a lot more surface area on that. I don't mind this little jockey wheel. I know it's not a Boss, one of them good ones, but it seems to go up and down pretty easy. And I might even cut this off yet. I'm thinking about cutting this off and welding the nut on there. And I'll put my drill on there. And I've got myself a Boss jockey wheel. But whether I feel like getting the drill out every time to do that, it's quicker to wind the handle, so I'm not too sure when I'm doing that yet. I'll just leave it for a bit and see how it goes. But definitely I'll put this on today, and I'll let you know what it's like when we get finished, I guess. So a quick measure. Look at this inch, it's not much. It's not really that high, so that this will end up being about where the jockey wheel touches the ground there, of course. So I'm going to put a piece of pipe from there to this piece, which is 22 centimetres long, so that should be the same length as the stock standard one there. I've got the pipe here, nice heavy duty piece of pipe, and luckily I've got a welder behind me, so I'll just tack it up with a welder and yeah, paint it up, and I'll show you after a bit more. Rightio, I'll just cut this off, so there's no turning back now. It's too late. Oh no! That's going to be spare parts. Good thing about doing this, it should be a little bit lighter as well, hopefully. Other thing is, this is a standard jack, comes with the Crusader van, or probably a lot of vans, but this is going to be a bit sloppy in here now, so I'm going to cut this off as well, and I've got a bit thicker, a little bit smaller pipe to weld in there, so this fits on there nice and a bit more snug. So I'll get that off next, and I'll show you when I get it back, other one piece, or the new piece back on. Not even halfway. Still a bit more to go, yeah. Ooh. Magic.
Oh, missed that.
More spare parts each. Yeah, I don't want to cut the corners off on here. I'm just cutting them off to round them off a bit so it's not so sharp, so it doesn't dig into the side of jerry cans and water bottles and stuff, just to round them off a little bit. I reckon a bit too sharp, these things. Right, clean that up. Tell you what, Angela, find some water, she's getting hot. I'll tip in some water, I think. Taps around the back here. That's better, isn't it? Not so sharp.
Why does it smell like fish? I can smell fish. The fishy smell.
Once. Right. Nearly ready to weld the other piece on. And then extend this.
Oops. Now I'm a bit too close.
I don't really want to weld this onto here because I want to be able to take it off. You want to put it in the van for some reason, just take that on and off. So I'm going to make that so it comes on and off still. I could also weld a piece of pipe on here and slide the jockey wheel back on, but there's no need to carry it, I reckon. It's too heavy, too bulky anyway. You never need it. This is the adjustable foot. So they come with these clips on them, so I thought I might as well just keep this clip. Just got to drill that hole out. It's a bit bigger, it does fit, it's a burr in there. Yeah, I'll keep that on there. Weld that on there, of course, and then I can still use the clip because I want to be able to take it off and put it somewhere in the van if we want just a jockey wheel. If we pack it easy.
Headlight.
Oh.
That's okay.
How good are these?
That's better.
Anyway, yeah. See, I'll keep going. I'll show you a bit later. Yeah, it fits. Bloody magic. Keep losing parts. Drill through this way. You know, that'll still work. Good. Right, yeah, just about time for the welder. Yeah, so. Well, I'll just buzz it up. It'll be pretty much then put together. Grind up, see how she looks. Garbage truck this time of day. Always one more, isn't it?
Thanks for the warning.
I've got the other one on charger.
Now, can we see
Now,
what an amazing job you've done?
all we need is to do the paint job.
Oh, you need to bring it.
That's going to go to there. Ooh, it's still a bit hot.
Hang on.
So I'll just run the grinder on the thick side of that and then paint it up, and put it together.
Can you bring it over and show us? Look at that for a job.
That'll be right. It's only got the brusher sitting down on it, so
Just hold that thought for a
should be
minute.
alright.
I can't.
pretty thick pipe. And this stuff here is pretty thick, but yeah, drilled the hole in the bottom for the other pin to go through. So we've got the base on it. Should be better than a wheel, I reckon, but we'll test it in a minute anyway, or soon, because there's about a, I don't know, 2 inches of hole in the grass out there from the jockey wheel put on it, so I can't imagine that plate, which is ready to go as well. Yeah, that should be heaps better. And we just pull it off and pack it in the van.
Such
like
a
that.
clever man, aren't you?
So yeah, and it's
Look
a
at the
lot
job
lighter.
he's done.
It seems to be a lot lighter, so I should have weighed it, but anyway.
Weighed it.
Yeah, weighed it with
It's alright. I thought you said weighted.
weighted.
Weighed it.
Is it weighed it?
Weighed. Not weight.
You made it, Brennan. Alright, I'll just do this real nice and smooth and I'll paint it.
Right. I'm going to change the settings a bit.
Hope Dad's got some silver frost.
Oh, shame we have to go for drive.
Oh, heavy. That's it. I'll go look for some paint. Silver. Isn't it?
Well, it probably needs a couple of coats, as paint does. Oh.
The nozzle's a bit cracked. Nozzle on it. Burn all that, eh? Put it in the sun. And put that, won't see right up in here, don't have to do that.
Nope, dropped.
Guess what? I left it a bit warm so it's going to dry quicker. The pipe's a bit warm. We're going to have a cross-country extreme. Rightio. Just going to make that a wee bit bigger, tap it on there, and weld her on. That's it. Well we're on. Put it all back together and it's done.
What have you lost?
2 long bolts.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Right, Brad. What's next?
Hopefully, time to put it together after, I won't leave it like this. What, 3 hours mucking around, I suppose. I've got it ready to assemble. We've got grease in there. Just a bit of spare stuff here, Ridge. The jockey wheel.
That's not a wheel anymore.
Nah.
Brad's, what do you call it?
No. It's just
You can't use someone else's name.
No.
Don't mention the competition.
Should just make it easier to pack up. You know what?
What's going on?
Okay. No, that's how it's supposed to be.
That long?
No, it's going up.
Oh.
It's going up.
Yeah.
It goes up to normal.
Well, look at that. Hope everyone can see that. You've got to look hard.
That's nearly about normal. Because that used to be on there. So now, we've got that. We can put on here. It should be good. Where's the original clip? Not that side.
Oop. Can't zoom in too far.
I could make this a weeny bit bigger, but I want to make it tight. I haven't used that clip much actually, to tell you the truth. That's a foot. On here, which is just here somewhere. Cut the handle off. It used to be on there because they get in the way, touch the A-frame all the time. And I made up a thing for the legs which also fits that now. So I'll just put my drill on there, go up and down, but I'll show you when we get to the van, that part, how it works. There it is. So yeah, same size as the legs. We're going to give it a run, eh?
Wow. Let's go.
So there's that. Come off it, that big piece of steel. I mean, I did add a piece of steel, but not as heavy as that. And that. It's got it. And it's a lot slimmer, littler. So yeah.
Okay, let's
See how it
go.
goes.
Let's go. Rightio.
I'll put it on that one.
Will it work or won't it work? That is the question.
Right. Is that going, is it?
Mm-hmm.
Here you go. For all this time. Hopefully this is good. I don't go too fast. pressure on the, I try and lift the van with it, just want to put a bit of pressure on the front.
At this point in time, you don't want to put
Nah. They did have a lot of slop in the gears. 3 cars in a row when you went had a lot of slop in the gears. So
you're waving at them.
I put a big washer behind the back of it to mash the gears up properly, so it'll be even a little bit stronger than it was before, but I'm not going to wind it up too hard with this. It's not a Boss jockey wheel, but it'll do till we get one, which will be later down the track.
That might be better.
Yeah, I like it. It does work good. So yeah, see how it goes again.
Well, no turning back now. As long as you're happy, yes.
The drill's not set too hard.
What do you think,
either, so
folks?
it's not
Leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe, and turn your bell on if you want to see more.
Bloody beautiful.
Because there's going to be plenty more.
Oh, phew. See ya.
Bye, guys. Next time.